Tesla shares are crashing today just before the earnings report, and that's problematic. Of course, we don't know how the earnings report will really affect Tesla until tomorrow. We are unlikely to get any answers today, but this reaction is particularly dangerous, and I will explain why in this video. So let's see what to expect after the earnings release. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. So right now, when we look at this chart over here, what do we see? This reaction over here today is completely rejecting any possible bottom signal, any possible bullish reaction on Tesla stock, because we are not only rejecting the previous bullish candlesticks over here, but we are also losing this purple trend line over here, which was connecting all of Tesla's previous bottom levels since back to April this year. So yes, by losing this purple line over here, Tesla is showing a significant, powerful bearish reaction, rejecting the bullish thesis over here. Is Tesla bearish right now? As I already told you guys, only by losing the $240 Tesla will really turn bearish. Right now, we are rejecting the bullish scenario, but we are not necessarily bearish yet. However, today's reaction is quite powerful. It is quite dangerous, losing the trend line just under the 21 MA, the 21 exponential moving average over here. So if you ask me, Nathan, what if Tesla explodes upwards? Because Tesla could react, right? So what it takes for Tesla to finally fly again? Well, right now in this situation, a miracle, but if we see good earnings, if earnings report is going to be really impressive, as some people believe it is going to be, then I see Tesla exploding upwards. To which point? How high could Tesla explode from here? This is what we are going to talk about in a few minutes. Right now, let's pay attention to the indices, because the indices are not triggering any meaningful bearish reaction yet. Yes, today's reaction is problematic. We are also rejecting yesterday's bullish candlestick pattern over here. We are losing the 21 MA as well, and if we close below this 21 MA, then that might be problematic, especially if we lose the $431 down here. But so far, okay, we are just not bullish yet, but we could easily turn bearish if SPY actually loses its support levels over here on the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we see why we are having such a hard time right now. Although we did a very nice reaction right above this bottom level of this ascending channel, SPY is still having a very hard time in breaking the 21 MA on the weekly chart, which is also very close to the 50-period moving average on the daily chart as well. So see, there are multiple resistance levels on the broad market, and only if the broad market truly reacts and breaks its short/mid-term resistance levels, we are gonna see Tesla, Nvidia, the other mega cap stocks truly flying again. If we take a look at QQQ is looking very good right now. QQQ is really trying to engage a bull trend over here, right? We found a bottom level at this area. Right now, we are dangerously losing this support area, but there is still time for a reaction. If you ask me if QQQ actually reacts around this support area, then I believe it is going to resume the bullish pattern of higher highs, higher lows, and in this case, tech stocks are going to fly as well. And Tesla, even if Tesla crashes again, I believe it is going to easily recover if the broad market helps over here. All right, so right now there is not a single meaningful bullish reaction on SPY, QQQ, or Tesla. So right now the situation is very problematic. But okay, Nathan, how high could Tesla fly, and how low could Tesla crash if we see the volatility increasing over here after earnings tomorrow? Well, first, you may say, Nathan, you are recording this video a little bit early today, right? I rather see you, I would prefer to see you sharing your insights after the market close. Okay, then I'm gonna give you guys two options. First, follow me on Instagram, because I'm gonna post a story right now today, that's a very good, I'm gonna post a story today after the market closes about Tesla, about Tesla's volatility, so just join me over there. Second option, join our Telegram channel, because you will have access to premium insights on Tesla, SPY, QQQ, Nvidia, and many other stocks. When QQQ did this rally over here, we nailed it. Many good trades on many stocks, including SPY and QQQ. So come on, just join our Telegram channel. The QR code is right here on the left corner of your screen. Now, right now, as far as I know, the volatility could increase to a point of making Tesla going up 10% or down 10%. Last time Tesla reported earnings, it crashed 10%. So let's be prepared for a volatility of up to 10%. What if Tesla crashes 10% from here? I see that 10%, we are talking about $217, which, coincidence or not, if you are already my follower, you know this pretty well, because $217 was not only the previous support area over here on Tesla on the weekly chart on August this year, but it was also a resistance level on February this year. So this red line over here, $217. If Tesla is about to crash, I believe that it could easily lose the main support level at $240 over here. This black line on the daily chart. I believe we are going to seek $217 next. Maybe in one day, maybe in 2 days, I don't know. But by losing $240, this is what I see happening on Tesla. Second scenario, if you are still not my subscriber, consider subscribing this channel to keep in touch with my daily analysis, daily insights on Tesla, SPY, QQQ, etc. So come on, subscribe this channel, click the like button to support me as well. Now, third scenario, what if Tesla explodes upwards? Well, if Tesla explodes up to 10%, coincidence or not, I see Tesla retesting its previous top level, previous resistance level around $268, $69 up here. So the key points are quite clear to me, right? Of course, maybe Tesla is not going to hit these key points tomorrow, but maybe in the next few days, in the next couple of days, I don't know. Remember, in order to be a good trader, you don't need to know the future. Tesla is an amazing stock, and we can easily outperform Tesla's performance using our own active management. So remember, join our Telegram channel, follow me on my Instagram to keep in touch with more insights about Tesla, the broad market, etc. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye-bye.